Information Sheet 1.2 Draft Water Distribution Systems. An understanding of the plumbing system is important to the designer or draftsman. Although plumbing plans may be omitted on small residential dwellings, they are always included in larger projects for small residences. The plumbing layout is left to the contractor or the owner to decide. A plumbing system performs two major functions, which are: for water distribution, sewage disposal. Water distribution systems, whether hot or cold, are distributed by pipes from the source to the house. Amenities. As discussed earlier, when tracing the path of the supply of water and fixtures fittings, the architectural designer uses symbols to indicate the distribution system and the different fixtures. The water distribution system is shown in an elevation, on plan, and on isometry using the different symbols, hence this is called a schematic drawing. In drawing the layout, here are the common symbols used for cold water line and sanitary layout. Sanitary and plumbing symbols. Legend/abbreviation. Water closet. WC. Vent at ceiling. VAC. Vent stack through roof. VSTR. Concrete drain pipe. CDP. Cast iron soil pipe. CISP. Downspout. DS. Cast iron soil stack. CISS. Cast iron vent stack. CIVS. Catch basin. CB. Junction box. JB. Water meter. WM. Galvanized iron pipe water line. JPOL. Cold water riser. CWR. Cold water down feed. CWDF. Fire line. FL. Deck drain. DD. Canopy drain. CD. Sprinkle riser. SPR. Dry stand pipe riser. DSPR. Fire hose cabinet. FHC. Lavatory. LAV. Water closet. WC. Floor drain.